Right. All right, after all the rain last week, nice to dry out, isn't it?
Absolutely, but there still is high water out and about. You know, the walking path that I like to go on still flooded over this morning.
Yeah, and keep that in mind. It's going to take a while for especially creeks, rivers, and streams to come down. A lot of our rivers still under flood warnings. I have one plant that was drooping, and I went over and I'm like, what is going on?
Too
Floating.
much water?
Drowning.
Yes,
Yeah, wow.
drowning in water. So yes, we need a chance to dry out, and we are going to get it this week. It was nice to have some sunshine today, although a little hazy. We'll talk more about that in just a second. Right now in Indianapolis, we have 83 degrees, a north wind at 7, dew points in that comfortable range. We'll talk more about the MUGGY meter going back up in a second as well. Yes, we've got some blue sky, but it's kind of a milky blue sky. We can see that live from our camera in Kokomo. The reason we have the haze, well, it's all thanks to the fires out west. We definitely have the forecast for smoke over the next 24 hours or so. So please keep that in mind. No threat to air quality, but also keep in mind, even if it looks hazy, you're still going to need the sunscreen. UV index for tomorrow, very high. Sunrise happens at 6:33, sunset shortly after 9 o'clock. Temperatures tomorrow will be back into the 60s early tomorrow morning, mid-60s to start, so pretty comfortable. Hazy sunshine near 80 at lunchtime tomorrow, and highs in the mid-80s for your Tuesday. We're forecasting low to mid-80s on Wednesday. There will be more haze in the sky, and it's also going to be a bit more muggy. In fact, check out the MUGGY meter, how it changes over the next couple of days. Remember, our dew point right at 60 degrees. Those start to climb the next several days, and in fact, by the end of the week and the weekend, we're going to be in that sweaty, miserable range as humidity starts to climb. How about rain chances? Outside chance we get a spotty shower or storm across the southern part of the state on Wednesday. As we look ahead at Future Track 13, Thursday into Friday, a little more unsettled again as the heat and humidity start to climb. So will the chance for a couple of storms, but also lots of dry time in this 7-day forecast. Hazy sunshine will forecast 88 degrees tomorrow. We'll be in the low to mid 80s on Wednesday, and then be in that upper 80 range as we hit Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. With higher heat and humidity will come a chance for a couple of afternoon and evening storms. We'll keep you posted on the timeline.
Even though it's Monday, we're starting to eye the weekend already, isn't it?
Always, always in our sights.
That's right.